Welcome to a new video with VoiceAIWrapper. This video is made for agencies who offer voice AI services to their clients. VoiceAIWrapper is a white label platform for agencies, and in this video I'll show you a feature using which VoiceAIWrapper allows you to automate client onboarding. This includes collecting payments from your clients, collecting their business information, details about the agent knowledge base that you need to build, details about the phone number that needs to be associated with the agent. You can collect all of that, send it over to your Vapi or ElevenLabs, or let's say your Retell account, automatically create an agent, assign the agent inside the VoiceAIWrapper white label platform, and pretty much automate the whole process from client onboarding to payment to agent creation and agent allocation. So let's get into the details. Using our payment integration, you can create multiple product types inside your VoiceAIWrapper account. And the SaaS creator feature basically allows you to create a pricing table based on the products that you have created. You can then take the code for this pricing table and you can put it in your website. I've just created a sample landing page for the purpose. And when users come to your website and they click on buy now, and of course you can customize this text, what happens is when the customer buys, automatically a client account gets created inside VoiceAIWrapper. Of course, a username and password gets assigned when they create the account. And using the form functionality, you can now collect information from them, which can collect their business details. It can collect information about their integration details. It can collect details about the phone numbers that they prefer. All of this now goes to an automation. This automation can create your agent, it can create inbound and outbound campaigns inside VoiceAIWrapper and do a whole lot of stuff, including creating web widgets, and it can automatically assign that agent or assistant to your client account. And this works with any of the voice API providers that we support on our platform, which includes ElevenLabs, Conversational AI, Vapi, or Retell. Let me show you how that workflow looks like from a client's perspective. Let's assume that this is your agency website and you've just taken our code and embedded it on your website. There are two pricing plans on your website, and let's say a user comes in and they decide that they want to buy this plan. They would click on buy now or whatever you choose in place of that text. They would reach this page, which is your branded white label portal with your logo and your URL. And let's say I'm going to sign up as a new client. All right. As soon as I sign up, now I'm prompted to make a payment based on the pricing plan that I had selected. I'm just going to add in some card details here. Right, there you go. Once the user has subscribed and their payment is done, they now reach this form wherein they are prompted to fill in their company name and other details, which will in turn go to the automation, which will trigger the creation of your agent in your voice AI provider. Now, going back to our workflow, you can collect multiple data points from a new user during the onboarding. Right after they've done with their business detail submission, you can go ahead and redirect them to another form, which then prompts them to add details about the phone number that they prefer. For example, I've created a phone number purchase form. And this phone number purchase form is supposed to pop up right after the user is done with filling in their business details. Similarly, if we also want to collect their API keys, for example, for a calendar integration, you can also collect that information right after they're done with their phone number details. All this information that is collected on our platform, you can view all those submissions here. And once that information is connected, you can use it with your N8N workflow, which can then create an agent inside your ElevenLabs or Vapi or Retell account. And because of our connection between VoiceAIWrapper and your voice API provider, whatever agent is created, that automatically gets assigned to your client portal along with the phone numbers and the knowledge base that has been created with the help of the information that the user has filled in. This completely automates the client onboarding process, reduces the back and forth and the mess which usually happens when collecting data about agent creation for new clients. Your client portals have everything that your client needs. They get access to a fully managed dashboard where they can manage their billing, they can look at their campaign stats, and you can also add a help or a support widget for them to reach out to you for any help. I hope you found this video helpful. You can try out VoiceAIWrapper.com for free on VoiceAIWrapper.com. When you're signing up for our free trial, make sure you sign up for the Pro free trial, because this fully automated client onboarding and agent creation workflow is available on our Pro trial only. If you need help setting it up for the first time, don't hesitate to reach out to us using our chat support built right inside our app. Thank you, and meet you in the next video.